Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Elements uses the foreground color to paint, stroke, and fill image selections. It uses the background color to make gradient fills and fill in erased areas of images. You can set the color choices in Elements using any of several tools available to you. The default foreground color is black, and the default background color is white. The current selections appear toward the bottom of the toolbox. Note that you can click either the foreground or background color squares in the toolbox to select them. Then you can use some of the tools that you will look at in the following lessons to change the selected color. Note the small double-pointed and curved arrow that is located above and to the right of the color choices in the toolbox. If you click this arrow, you will switch the foreground and background colors in the toolbox. Also note the two small black and white squares to the lower left of the current color selection. You can click this icon to set the current color choices back to the default of black and white.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.